Here I have Motorola Moto G24, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be messages, it could be calls from certain like contacts, stare contacts, or like some numbers. It could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it, and you can also display options for hidden notifications. Like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable visuals and sounds. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.